Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Zapier.com, and Zapier allows you to integrate cloud-based services that you are already using that typically don't have a built-in integration. The company states that it connects over 3,000 applications, which will allow you to automate processes instead of manually having to create them when you regularly use specific applications. The company allows for workflows so that if you need to use more than one application in one integration, you can do it. The company has a basic free trial that will allow you to test the connections that you are making. And then when you can determine that you're going to use Zapier on a regular basis, you can pay monthly for a specific number of connections as well as direct integrations. The company has its own search engine, so that you can search it to determine if you're going to work with a specific application. And the company does have its own form of education, which includes a blog, specific Zapier experts, a help center, and a community portal. If you want to browse Zapier to determine how it can be used, you can use the Explore Zapier by job role. However, one of the easiest ways to use Zapier is to type in the two cloud-based services that you want to integrate. And once you type them into your favorite search engine, what you can also type in is the word Zapier, then integration. And then you will search for the results. In some cases, you will see an integration that is available to you in the search engine that you can then go and look to within the Zapier website. Now, although this will not determine whether your specific use case will be available using Zapier, it is an indication that the two applications that you're working with can be connected using the cloud-based service. So what you can do at this point is you can sign up for the free trial within Zapier, and we will do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.